Once upon a time in Mumbai Dobara, which was supposed to clash with Chennai Express on August 8th, has been postponed by a week. With Chennai Express now being a solo release and its theatrical trailer creating tremendous buzz, do you think that it will turn out to be Shah Rukh Khan's biggest hit till date? Do let us know. Moving over to your favorite show, Bollywood This Week. Catch the most happening events in this segment of Parties and Events. The team of Chennai Express launched the trailer of their film in a memorable event.
I want to thank Deepika, of course, for being part of this film, because the best part working with Deepika is कि जब
You're doing that formal thing again.
no I'm seriously, जब भी shopping जाओ तो ऊपर के shelf में कोई चीज हो तो इसको कह सकते हैं निकाल के दे दें. That's the best part of it. I'm sorry, it's beautiful to work with her. मैं रोहित को बार-बार यही कहता हूँ कि तुमसे मैं एक्शन सीखूंगा और तुमको प्यार सिखा दूंगा. तो he doesn't know that I've made a little bit of a wuss of himself in this film now. अब ये romantic बनाएगा और मेरी इसके साथ यही तमन्ना है कि अगली फिल्म में 2 गाड़ियाँ उड़ रही हैं और मेरे हाथ ऐसे फैले हुए हैं. ये नेक्स्ट पिक्चर का पोस्टर है, प्लीज.
You're looking very handsome, Shah Rukh and Deepika as usual, very beautiful.
I look handsome too. Thank
No,
you.
Shah Rukh looks handsome, you look beautiful.
Shah Rukh, you look beautiful and I look handsome.
Whatever works for you.
Deepika, did you say naan une kaadil kare to Rohit?
Oh God. Please explain the meaning to him first.
I love you, Rohit, because he said the director, she was more crazy about the director than the hero.
This is Shah Rukh's feelings. He just passed the buck on to me.
नहीं
This
नहीं,
is
अब मुझे
actually
समझ
what
आ
he
गई. तो
feels.
हर रोज यही कहती, मैं समझा ही नहीं, ये कह रही थी मुझे ये. Same to you.
Amir Khan inaugurated the first IMAX theatre of PVR.
Because IMAX, I remember the first time I saw IMAX was when I was shooting for Dil Chahta Hai in Sydney. So in Sydney there was this IMAX theatre about 15 minutes from where I was staying, and I saw my first IMAX film and I was just blown. I was like, my God, what is this? And I think there were about 8 or 10 films running in the IMAX theatre over there. That I saw all of them. Yeah, every couple of days I would come and I would sit alone and watch the film.
Pooja Gupta visited Hungama office and created loads of hangama.
खाली सलाम दुआ मुलाकात में चेहरे की रंगत बदल रही है तेरी सोहबत में. खाली सलाम दुआ मुलाकात में चेहरे की रंगत बदल रही है तेरी सोहबत में.
Yes, I do. I keep seeing your ratings, and sometimes I see myself there. So I feel very like that's why I like acting Bollywood Hangamas, because they never forget me. I'm always there in the 8th or 10th list. That's like the girls' newcomer list. And even when I came in Faltu Bollywood Hangama, rated me as one of the. I think I was on the 3rd rank there as well. So I think it's I'm very happy today. I'm here in the office.
Hi.
Yeah, how are you?
Very good, lovely meeting you. Lovely office.
Deepika Padukone unveiled the new range of Vogue eyewear.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे वोग आईवेयर का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाया गया है इंडिया के लिए, और इंटरनेशनली बहुत सारे नोन फेसेस हैं जैसे जिजेल, केट मॉस और जूड लॉ भी हैं. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
शाहरुख तीसरी बार पापा बन रहे हैं और एक बार सरोगेसी की वजह से, उस बारे में क्या?
I think it's a very, very personal thing. It's an extremely personal thing, and I don't think it's right for me to be commenting on it.
Over to your favorite Itsy Bitsy interviews. Shah Rukh Khan reveals that he offered a role to his Chennai Express director Rohit Shetty in Farah Khan's Happy New Year.
हाँ हम बड़ा सीरियस इसको बोला एक रोल कर दे इसने मना कर दिया हमको.
No, I think he's saying that he's considering it. He's still thinking.
Oh, sorry,
He's in talks as it's said.
See, just hero. He's the only hero in the industry who's had 600 crore rupee films one after the other. We can't afford him. That's the main problem that we have.
Imran Hashmi and Vidya Balan on the fun on the sets of Ghan Chakkar.
It was like this, and she thought the accelerator was the brake for like 5 minutes of the drive. I was like, "What are you doing?" She said, "Isn't this the accelerator?" No, I said, "This is the brake."
He is really lying through his teeth.
Right.
I know how to drive, but these guys drove me nuts. Rajesh Sharma was saying, actually मेरी ना अभी शादी हुई है, मेरा बच्चा अभी होना बाकी है. Imran says मेरा तो बच्चा है, मैं उसको बड़ा होते देखना चाहता हूँ. Namin Das is saying मेरी शादी अभी तक हुई नहीं.
Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra assures that Bhag Milka Bhag won't be banned in Pakistan and is in fact a keenly awaited film.
There are 3 suitors for the film who are ready to kill each other to get this film out there, and I've been told by a very important person out there that this film could be the revival of cinema in Pakistan.
It's goodbye time, folks, but we leave you with our concluding fun segment, the top 5 tweets of the week. Take a look. Bollywood Hungama News Network.